You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to convert Python list into dictionary using zip function and dictionary comprehension. Let's start coding. My Python version is 3.7 and editor is Anaconda Spider. First of all, we create list. This list has 8 items where I will combine both the numerical and alphabetic words. Here I will use digits as a key and strings as a value. I am passing total 8 values, means 4 digits and 4 strings. 2, 9, 5, 8 digits will be converted to keys, and Ram, Mohan, Vinay, Tina string will be converted to value related to the keys. Next, print this list. Next, we will apply our first method, that is zip function we will use for converting list into dictionary. In zip method, first we will convert list into an iterative. Iterative means sequence of characters. Next, we will pass this iterative in zip function. The result of zip function then will be passed to dict function. So first we will write dict as an outer function. In dict function, we will pass a parameter, that is zip function, and in zip function we will pass 2 arguments. First one is iterative of list and second one is also iterative of list. Zip function will take first item from first iterative and second item from second iterative, and then combine both the item and create a tuple. In this way, it will create all the tuples and combine that tuples into a list. Then dict function will convert this list of tuples into a dictionary. In output window, you can see a dictionary. This dictionary has 4 keys, 2, 9, 5, 8 and 4 values. This is the first method. Our second method is dictionary comprehension. In this method, we will write all the statements in between 2 curly braces. Here we will read all the items of list one by one and then place all the items in the form of dictionary. For reading all the items of list one by one, we are using for loop. So first we wrote 2 curly braces. Next we place first and second item of list one by one. We are using scripting for reading the items of list I colon list I plus 1. Here list I is key and I plus 1 is value. Next, write for loop for I in range. In range we will write 0. Here list always started with 0, so we will start for loop with 0. Next we will write loop range. Here range is size of list. Here we are using len function for finding the length of list. Next value is jump value, that is 2. Here we are writing jump value 2 because first it read 0th position value, that is 2, and combine first position value, that is Ram. So the first item of dictionary will be 2 Ram. Next we will read third value, that is in second position, and combine this value with Mohan. It means second item is 9 Mohan, where 9 is key and Mohan is value. In this way, we read all the value of list and convert that list into a dictionary. Next, print this dictionary and run the program. In output window, it is showing a complete dictionary converted from list that has 4 items, where 4 keys and 4 values. Now I am ending this tutorial for today. Thank you. Kindly subscribe our channel.